Hello everyone, welcome to chart of the day. Myself Rahim Asum Raja from JSWINFRA India. So आज के chart of the day के लिए I have selected two stock. One is JSW Infrastructure Limited and the second one is RRKABEL Limited. So let's see how it's look on the chart. So this is the daily chart of JSW Infrastructure, and looking at the chart itself, you can see that the stock has been under consolidation since July 4th onwards. It has registered a recent high, we can say, at 360.95, and after that there has been some consolidation phase, but the stock got support near its 100 DMA, this line, and after that we have seen that from past 3 days it has witnessed buying interest. आज के ट्रेडिंग सेशन में the stock has formed a bullish candle with higher high and higher low price structure on the daily chart, and also it has reclaimed its 50 DMA with above average volume. If you look at the volume part, which is above average volume, it has APS strength of 83 and it has a bad demand of A minus. The stock has also having number of funds that has increased to 51.40 in the last quarter. Second stock is RRKABEL Limited. So the stock has been in the consolidation phase since, we can say, 27th of May, and where it has hit the high at 1901.95, and after that stock में थोड़ा profit booking आया, और उसके बाद the stock has been under consolidation for past 3 months. But from past 2 days we have seen that there is some buying interest has emerged here, and आज के trading session में the stock has gained around 8.34%, and it has also reclaimed its 200 DMA. This black line is 200 DMA, and after that stock has witnessed some kind of buying interest, we can say. So it has APS strength of 54, which is not that great, and it has buyer demand of D. And if you look at its number of fund holding that has increased in the last quarter is 58.49. So आज के chart of the day के लिए इतना ही. We will meet again next day with another chart. Thank you so much for watching the video.